Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CashApp on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to download CashApp on your PC, you'll first need to download an Android emulator. There are lots of Android emulators available in the market. Download any one that you'd like. In my case, I've downloaded BlueStack's Android emulator. Once you have an emulator, click it open and wait until it loads. Soon after it opens, go to the Play Store option and you might need to sign in with your Google account in order to download the application. Go to the search box in order to search for apps and games. With an Android emulator, you can download all the applications that are available on your Play Store for your PC as well. Go to the search box at the top and type in CashApp in the search box. Once you find the application, click it on and simply click on the install button in order to install it on your PC. Wait for the download to begin and your installation process to complete. As soon as it does, click it open and that is it. You have successfully downloaded CashApp on your PC quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.